In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a website in Google Sites after being deleted. If you've accidentally removed a site, don't panic. Most of the time it isn't gone forever. Google Sites stores your projects in Google Drive, and when you delete a site, it usually moves to the bin and drive for a limited time before it's permanently removed. Here's how to get it back quickly and safely. First, open your browser and go to Google Sites. This takes you to the home page where your sites live. Before moving on, double check you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Your deleted site will only appear under the account that owned it. Next, look for the three horizontal lines at the upper right of the screen. This is the main menu that helps you jump to related Google tools. Click those three lines to open the menu, then choose Drive. This will take you into Google Drive, where every Google site is stored as a file and can be managed just like docs or slides. Inside Google Drive, go to the bin on the left sidebar. Depending on your region, it may be labeled Trash. This is where deleted items are kept temporarily. If you don't see bin, make sure you're on a desktop browser, as the option can be less visible on mobile. In the bin, find the site you want to restore. It will appear as a Google Sites file. If you have a lot in the bin, use the search bar and type the name of your site or filter by file type if available. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by checking the thumbnail or the last modified date. Click the site file to select it. When it's selected, you'll see options to manage it. Click Restore. Drive will move the site back to its original location in My Drive, and it will also reappear in your Google Sites homepage. If your site was previously published, restoring the file brings back the editable version. You can open it in Google Sites to verify everything looks right and republish if needed. A few quick tips to avoid hiccups. Items in bin are typically kept for about 30 days before automatic deletion, and organizational accounts may have different retention policies. If you don't see the site, try searching by keywords you remember from the title. And if the item was permanently deleted, you may need help from your workspace administrator or support. That's it. Your Google site is restored and ready to go.